Well, medical malpractice cases are among the most complex and difficult to pursue. And in Maryland, there are certain traps that attorneys need to be aware of. For example, a claim for medical malpractice has to be begun by filing a certain form with what's known as the Healthcare Alternative Dispute Resolution Office. And then within a certain number of days after you file that claim, you must file what's called a Certificate of Qualified Expert. Now that is a document wherein a qualified physician certifies that it's indeed a case of malpractice. And if you don't file within the proper time, your case is dismissed and you're out on the street. Other pitfalls that come across, that come to mind are statutes of limitations, for example. In some instances, notices need to be filed if you're bringing a case against a government or against a government employee. And throughout the course of medical malpractice litigation, there are deadlines that are established by the courts that you must meet. And if you're thinking of representing yourself, I would remind you of an old adage that a lawyer who represents himself or herself has a fool for a client. Don't do it. Go to a lawyer, have someone represent you who knows the ins and outs of medical malpractice litigation.